Have questions about your microdermabrasion machine? Don't worry, our after-sales video guides you step by step for an effortless solution. Case 1, weak or no suction for microdermabrasion. Step 1, verify if the pump is functioning. When the machine is working properly, it makes a sound and has a slight vibration. Step 2, check the diamond head or glass tube connection. When using the diamond tip or the glass tube, the white hose should be connected to the suction port. Make sure the diamond tip or glass tube is firmly connected to the suction port. Step 3, replace the black rubber ring if it's missing or damaged. If the black rubber ring is worn out or missing, replace it to ensure an airtight connection. The machine suction returns to normal and you can start your skincare journey. Case 2, no suction when using the glass tube. When using the glass tube, cover the small hole with your finger to prevent suction loss. Case 3, how to get more suction power. Step 1, adjust the suction knob to maximum. Step 2, slowly slide the diamond tip over the skin, so that the suction power of the machine can rise to its maximum. We recommend starting with the lowest suction when using the diamond tip to avoid overstretching your facial skin. Case 4, spray bottle not working. Check if the bottle is securely connected to the release port. If the spray bottle doesn't work, ensure it's connected to the release port. Case 4, the machine won't turn on. Step 1, confirm the adapter is providing the correct output, 12V1A. Step 2, ensure the power cord is properly connected and intact. Ensure your adapter is functioning and matches the required output, 12V1A. A faulty adapter might prevent the machine from starting. With these steps, your device should now be working smoothly. Enjoy your skincare routine. We hope this video helps you get the best out of your microdermabrasion machine. For further assistance, feel free to contact our support team.